Assalamu alaikum. This math for class 7. See, there are 3 pipes in a cistern. The empty cistern can be filled with water by the first pipe and the second pipe in 30 minutes and 20 minutes respectively. The filled cistern can be completely emptied by the third pipe in 60 minutes. What part of the cistern can be filled by the third pipe in 1 minute? The third pipe in 60 minutes can bucket the cistern. Therefore, the third pipe in 1 minute can bucket or empty 1 by 60 part. If third pipe in 1 minute can empty 1 by 60 part, therefore third pipe in 1 minute can also fill 1 by 60 part. Third pipe in 1 minute can fill 1 by 60 part. The question be, in how many minutes will the cistern be filled if all the 3 pipes are kept open? All the 3 pipes by the first pipe and second pipe, water will go inside the cistern, and by the third pipe water will come out of the cistern. See, first pipe in 30 minutes can fill 1 part, therefore in 1 minute can fill 1 by 30 part. Second pipe in 20 minutes can fill 1 part. Second pipe in 1 minute can fill 1 by 20 part. By the third pipe in 1 minute can bucket 1 by 60 part from it. By opening all the 3 pipes in 1 minute can fill, by the first pipe in 1 minute can fill 1 by 30 part, by the second pipe in 1 minute can fill 1 by 20 part, and by the third pipe can empty 1 by 60 part. This 1 by 60 we have to subtract. So 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 minus 1 by 60. LCM of 30, 20 and 60. LCM is 60. 60 divided by 30, 2. 2, 1 is 2. And 60 divided by 20, 3. 3, 1 is 3. 60 divided by 61, 1, 1 is 1. 2 plus 3, 5. Minus 1, 4. 4 by 60 part. If 60 is divided by 4, 15, 1 by 15 part. If the 3 pipes are kept open, in 1 minute can fill 1 by 15 part. 1 by 15 part can fill in 1 minute, therefore 1 part can fill 1 into 15 by 1. Then 15, 1 is 15 minutes. If the 3 pipes are kept open at a time, then it will take 15 minutes to fill the cistern. The question C, when will the first pipe need to be closed so that the cistern be completely filled by the first and the second pipe in 18 minutes? By the first pipe and second pipe, the cistern will fill in 18 minutes, but when the first pipe is to be closed so that both the pipe can fill in 18 minutes, it means the second pipe will run for 18 minutes. So first we have to find out the second pipe's one. By the second pipe in 1 minute can fill 1 by 20 part. Therefore, by the second 5 in 18 minutes can fill 1 by 20 multiply 18. If 18 is divided by 2, 9, and 20 is divided by 2, 10, 9 by 20 part. So, by the second 5 in 18 minutes we can fill 9 by 20 part, then rest of the water can be filled by the first 5. Then remaining part we have to find out 1 minus 9 by 10. 1 minus 9 by 10, LCM is 10, 10 minus 9, 1 by 10 part. This 1 by 10 part filled by the first 5. By the first 5, 1 part can fill in 30 minutes. Therefore, by the first 5, 1 by 10 part can fill in 30 multiply 1 by 10. And if 30 is divided by 10, 3 minutes. Means after 3 minutes, the first 5 is to be closed. See the statement. Note in your copy and practice this method.